Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about injunction under CPC 1908. So, injunctions are the backbone of any litigating lawyer, and a case which is needed a determinative factor as to how any litigation would go about, whether it will be end in compromise, or as we see in courts, it would be a certain upper hand to one party. Quoting law definition in injunction is a judicial process whereby a party seeks to refrain someone from doing something or seeks a directions from a court to direct a person to perform a certain act. Now, what sort of injunctions? The type of injunctions are, there are temporary injunctions and permanent injunctions. So to begin with, CPC section 94 and section 95 provide that there are rules to frame whereunder a court can direct injunctive relief in a particular case, for which rules are prescribed under Order 39 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. So Order 39 1-2 deal with injunctions ex parte, ad interim and permanent, whereas the interim measures, which may not necessarily be interim injunctions, are dealt with Order 38 and specifically Rule 5, where we seek someone to finish security. Now, Order 38 Rule 5. Order 38 Rule 5 CPC provide interim measures. It requires a person seeks such relief to prove a higher pedestal than a prima facie case, balance of convenience and imminent threat of irreparable harm or injury, 3 parameters. Therefore, if a relief sought under Order 38 Rule 5 is not granted, then the decree or entire judicial exercise will be futile. Now, Order 39 1-2. Order 39 1-2 provides primarily deals with the ex parte interim relief. The ex parte ad interim relief is something where an injunction instant is needed so that the opposite party is not being notified. There are certain guidelines that have given or framed over a period of time by virtue of various judicial dictums. One of them are mentioned here as Supreme Court framed certain guidelines. The Supreme Court was one of the view that usually a court should refrain from giving an ex parte and interim relief behind the back of the party. If an interim injunction is to be granted, let the supposed party to be notified. Only in exceptional circumstances where non-grant of injunctions would cause serious injustice, irreparable harm, only then such action must be taken. So this is all about injunction, Order 38 and Order 39 1-2. I hope you are clear with injunction. Still, if you have any doubts regarding injunctions and type of injunctions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts regarding injunction. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you super soon in my next video with some other topic.